Okay, once again, we are here from Virtuo, and today we are going to demonstrate the IVR system of the Virtuo, and we are at the login screen, and we are using a user account to log in, and let's see what they see. Now, as you can see, this is the main screen, the main dashboard that each customer gets, and under there is PBX, there are reports, and under PBX we have ring groups, we have announcements, we have time groups. These are all previous applications. Then we have PBX admin settings, under which we can look at the recordings, and these recordings are actually the recordings, the announcements that the customers hear, not the call recordings. Call recordings we can see under monitoring. And under reports, we have a CDR report, which shows you all the calls that are received. So this was the basic overview of the various menus. Now let's look at the PPS applications, the ring groups. The ring groups actually are the group of numbers which, when let's say you press an option 1 for sales, 2 for support, 3 for other inquiry, or whatever the different options you have, you can create a ring groups for those different options in your IVR announcement. And depending upon the option selected, you can send it to a specific ring group. And then you can also decide the ring strategy, whether you want to hunt the numbers or like call them one by one, what should be the ring time, and or you want to ring all of them together so that anyone can pick it up, and what should be the maximum ring time. So a ring group basically is the group of numbers that you can define. So let's click on a ring group, and you can see that in this ring group, this is 1095, dial strategy is hunt, and this is the number it is going to call. And if nobody picks up, then it says sorry, nobody is available, so it displays that prompt. Okay, announcements basically are like sales sorry prompt, support prompt, sorry for the other inquiry, and then so these are all the different announcements that you can show. In the time group, in the IVR, there is an option where you can say if people call between 9 to 5, then take it to them to the IVR, otherwise take them to an after office hours announcement. So here basically you can define the time groups and the time conditions. Then we have recordings, and these are the recordings. For example, there's a welcome greeting here. I can just click on this.
Welcome to Indian Public School Sambalpur. Press 1 for reception. Press 2 for admission. Press 3 for fee related.
So all these recordings that you have in your IVR, you can put them here, you can listen to them, you can change them. So we give all our customer all the options to manage their own recordings and change them, upload them, so they have full control on their system. Monitoring is basically you can just select dates, let's say, and I can see all the different calls that has have coming. Like for example, this shows 21st June, and this time, this is the source number, the department it went to, and under that department it went to which destination. Could be a ring group or could be a phone number it went to. And any calls, I can see the call recordings right here. By clicking on them, I can download them, and then once it's downloaded, I can play it in some kind of a player, or I can just play them right here. I mean, just click on example here, and it will start playing right here. So this shows me all the recordings. I can also search them from a specific date by a source number, destination number. For example, I can say 8742948948 and search, and it just shows me all the calls which came from this number. So I can do selection, filtration, etc. from here. Under reports, I have a CDR report, and this shows me all the calls that has come into my system for a specific period. I can specify source, destination, calls which are answered, busy, etc. all that. So let's just search by this, and I can say that 23rd June 14:46 a call came from this number. I can also blacklist a number, and so that if that person calls, the call will disconnect right away. So the blacklist functionality is also there. And once a number has been blacklisted, I can always delist it later on. So now I can see that the it shows success, it has been done. And now just go back to this once again, and I can, let's say, delist it, success, and now it's done. I'll just close that window. So that way I can manage my filter list. I can download this as a PDF, CSV, spreadsheet. So all the menus, wherever we have, whether it's monitoring, we have download option. You can download any information as a spreadsheet, PDF, and CSV. So this is a very simple example. In the IVR, we will provide you a phone number, a mobile number, a 10-digit number, or it can be a toll-free number also. Once a customer calls on that number, the system can play an announcement like, "Thank you for calling Virtuo, press 1 for sales, press 2 for this." And then depending upon the option chosen, it can go to one of those ring groups, sales support, and then eventually it can go to a voicemail also. So we can configure voicemails that if nobody picks up anywhere, we can send the customer to a voicemail, for example, after office hours, or if everybody is busy, and then that voicemail can be here, for example, this particular ring group, and nobody picks up, finally it takes them to a voicemail, and then from the voicemail, the person, whatever message they record, we can email that to your email address. So that can be configured. So I can configure that under extensions. For example, 100 is my administrator, and I can say you will receive an email in your email box. For example, this is the email address that where you will receive the voicemail, and it will say new message in mailbox from this number. Dear, just wanted to let you know you were left a message, and you will get the recording file as an attachment. So that's pretty much here from Virtuo, and we'll come back with more videos. Stay tuned.